A stunning radar-inspired clock that's more than just timekeeping. It's a statement piece for your desk. With smooth, hypnotic motion, it instantly brings your space to life. Let's get started. I have just received the ESP32S3 from Seed Studio. It's very compact and comes with a full set of connection pins. An ESP32 components kit from Elegoo. Inside, there are plenty of components suitable for various learning and research projects. I'll be building more projects with these interesting components in future videos. Now I just need some jumper wires and a breadboard to test my code. I've left the code and flashing instructions linked in the description below. You can simply plug the ESP into your computer like this and upload the code. I've created a mechanical layout drawing and the wiring diagram for this project. You just need to print it on a standard A4 sheet and follow along. Next, prepare a bamboo base tray. Use glue to secure the components in place. I also need 1mm copper or brass wire. Drill 4 holes at the marked positions. And apply glue to secure the screen base. Bend the copper wire following the template. A small switch to control the power. Solder one terminal to the outer casing of the switch. Next, let's build the radar model. Use a round object like a cup as a guide to bend the wire into shape. Prepare 4mm brass tube with a 3.5mm inner hole. Use heat shrink tubing to insulate it from the motor shaft. Continue by marking and drilling 4 holes to attach the radar model. Squeeze it gently while soldering to create some spring tension for the commutator brush. Next, I need 38mm Edison style LED. I'll drill a hole to route the antenna down through the base. And that's it, all done. Good luck with your own build. Connect to the Wi-Fi network broadcast by the device to begin the setup. Enter your Wi-Fi credentials and the API key to fetch weather data. I've included the setup guide in the link in the description. You can adjust the radar speed and the brightness. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.